Hi friends, in this video tutorial we are going to talk about iframe using HTML. Iframe using HTML. Iframe is used to load someone's web page or website inside your web page. Okay, for instance, let me Google Bootstrap. My system is not connected. Let me connect it to the internet. Okay, I search for Bootstrap. Let me just open a website. What I really want to do is that I want to load a website inside my web page. Okay, I'm visiting this website, bootstrap.com. Okay, opening a new tab. Okay, I want to load this website now inside my web page. How am I going to do it? I have to use iframe. Okay, let's quickly start by going to my Visual Studio Code. Let me create a new file here. I will call it iframe. iframe.html. Okay, enter. Okay, iframe.html. I'm using HTML version 5 as we all know. Let me call the title iframe. Okay, inside the body we use this tag iframe. Okay, it's a double tag. Do you understand now? Iframe makes use of attributes known as source, then frame border, width and height. Okay, let me bring this down. Yes, iframe is a double tag, but we doesn't put anything in between them. So if I really want to load this website inside my own web page, I have to copy the link of that website. I copy it, then I will come to the source in this my iframe tag attribute, paste it there. You see https getbootstrap.com. Okay, before then let me just put a header here, header 1. Let me call header 1 HTML using iframe. Okay, let me align it at the center. Okay, like I said, iframe makes use of this attribute source. I want to make this code to look more clean, so let me bring this down here. I have attribute source, I have attribute border, frame border, which I will explain. We have the attribute height. Height is equals to, let me say, 100 ps. Okay, we have width. Let me say width is 300 ps. Okay, then we have the frame border. Frame border is all about the frame. Let me just run this code. You will see that this get bootstrap will load inside my web page. Okay, now see the website. We want to load this website inside our web page. Okay, so let me run this code now. Reveal in Explorer. Then I will open it, iframe.html. Okay, you see it's loading. Remember, this iframe needs internet connection to load that page. Okay, it's loading. You see that the web page is now showing inside here. You see it here because the width and the height is very small. That's why it's loading small here. Okay, let me increase the width and also the height. Let me say, let the width be 1000 pixels and let the height be 400. Okay, coming back to I will run the code. Let me refresh again. It's loading. It's using. You see the website is loading inside my web page, right? That's the function of iframe. Okay, you see the width now is 1000 and the height is 400. I can decide to put this thing at the center by using our formatting tag that we talked earlier, which is center. I can just say here center. Okay, I carry this now, wrap it between this iframe, center, so that this thing will be at the center. Okay, it's loading. Yes, you see it now at the center. But there's something you don't know where this starts. Assuming this background color is white with this, you may not know where this iframe started. So that's cause for the frame border. Okay, frame border is 0. We are not seeing any border. Let me say that frame border is 10. Okay, if I refresh, you notice that this iframe now will now have a border. You see the border now. You can see the border, which is 10. Okay, now if I'm scrolling, you can see the border. So actually I have loaded this website inside my own. See, I'm loading this thing from my C localhost, my iframe.html. I am loading Bootstrap inside. So anytime you want to load somebody's website, you use iframe. Okay, let me try to load another person's website. Let me try to load Facebook. Okay, coming back to this page, instead of Bootstrap, I will now replace it with facebook.com. facebook.com, right? Okay, if I run this code again, you will notice that, let me close this. Okay, this is the one we are using, the iframe.html I just created. Let me run the code. You will see that Facebook will load inside this iframe. This iframe, like I said earlier, needs internet connection to load. Okay, says refuse to connect. Okay, due to some security reasons, all these big websites refuses to load through iframe due to some security reasons, which I don't really know. So Facebook, like Google, like Twitter, I don't think it will load in iframe. So let's find another good website. So which website are we going to talk about now? They are very popular, so that we can load it on our iframe. Which one? Okay, let us use Wikipedia, right? Okay, let me load Wikipedia. I say https://wikipedia.com or WikiHow. Yes, let me use wikihow.com. Before I load this, make sure that you are not making mistake with the link. So I suggest first of all, you have to test this link whether it's correct by going to your web browser, opening a new tab, pasting it here, and load it first to see whether it will load, whether you are not making a mistake. Okay, since my internet connection is disturbing, let me check what's wrong with it. Okay, I'm loading the web page WikiHow. I just want to make sure that I'm not making mistake with the link, or let me just Google it. Let me Google it. Okay, you see the website now, wikihow.com. Okay, so going back to our code, we are using wikihow.com. Okay, let me now go to my code and refresh. So I'm expecting the WikiHow website to load on my web page. Internet is very, very poor here, but let's relax, soon it will load. Okay, saying wikihow.com refuses to connect. Like I said, due to some security reasons, some big websites refuses to load inside iframe. Okay, so maybe you have to try another web page, but that doesn't mean that the code is wrong. No, the code is not wrong, but some of the websites are refusing to load inside iframe. So let's just find a simple website that we know that it's not that secured enough. so that we can just easily load it using our iframe. Okay, let's try let me just Google something here. Let me just Google HTML so that I can find any link I can easily use for this iframe. Okay, so I have this w3schools.com, html.com. okay, let's load this html.com. let's see whether it will load. html.com, right? So going back to our web page, let me close this guy. Okay, this is what we are loading here. Let me refresh and see whether it will load. Okay, you see it has loaded. So iframe, we are using it to load website inside our web page. Okay, although some website doesn't want to load inside iframe, like Facebook, YouTube, Google, and all these big websites that require someone to log in, they say due to security reasons they are not allowing iframe. Okay, so let's go back to the code. Remember, iframe is a double tag that starts here and ends here. Okay, iframe have an attribute known as source, src, where you put the link of the website that you want to load. It has the height attribute, it has the width attribute, it has the frame border. This width attribute, you can decide to use percentage. You can decide to use 100%, so it will cover the full screen, something like this. You see 100%. If you look at the face, you see that the full screen is covered. You can decide to use let me say 90%. Let me refresh this page again. See, I'm making use of 90% now. The website still loads. Inside this my iframe, I can still be browsing this website. You see it here. Inside this my iframe, I can be browsing it. Okay, so I think that's all for iframe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.